Is that down?
What are you guys filming?
You guys right now.
She's the one. We have the bank bus. Oh, shit. I want dog parts. Come here. Oh no, she just told him. That's that guy. Oh. Yeah, do me a favor. Hey, you hear me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Slide it in a little bit.
You talking to me like that, homeboy?
Come on, slide it in just a little bit.
Tell this guy to slide it in a little bit.
No, this.
Hold the fuck on. It doesn't go in.
Yeah, you gotta twist it. No, unzip it.
Fucker.
Open it.
Don't take pictures.
Shala. 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 Oh, right here, look, right here, right here. Here we go.
Hello. How you doing, sir?
What's up, Holmes?
What's going on?
What's up, Holmes?
What's your name?
What's up, Holmes?
Do you have any ID?
What's up, Holmes?
Well, is that how you're gonna just go with it then?
What's up, Holmes? What you want, Holmes?
6-1, I'll be out with 3. I'm gonna take one additional right now.
You know when to respond.
What do you want, Holmes?
Would you like to fight
Well, I was trying to talk to you.
Go away.
You just want to say what's up?
Go away.
No, at this point I got a call about you.
I don't care what you got. Go away, man.
What are you doing? Do you have any ID on you?
Go away.
No, I'm not gonna go away.
Go away,
Any ID on
Piggy.
you?
Go away, Piggy. Go away, Piggy.
Once I see your ID.
Hell no, I ain't showing you shit. You wish you could, huh, Gonzalez? Look at you.
Just waiting. I got all the time in the world.
Go ahead. Sit your ass down. Have a seat, Gonzalez. Have a seat. Go ahead and lean against my vehicle right there. Go ahead and lean against my vehicle right there, man.
6-1.
You got permission. You got my permission. Go away, Piggy.
Alright guys.
Go away, Piggy. I told you, you ain't gonna get shit, boy. Learn the law, bitch. Learn the law, bitch. Fuck off.
Please get off the sidewalk.
Fuck off, man. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Get off the sidewalk. What do you mean you don't, bitch? Hey. Good for nothing fucking pig.
Yeah, nobody's crying but you, Piggy. Hey, nobody's crying but you guys, man. Stop crying.
Hey, what kind of call did you get?
Stop crying, man.
Don't worry, I'll be over there to film your house right now. It's funny how that bitch has her mask on now that the cops are here. Oh, I'm going that way too. That's funny, officer. I'm going that way too. Very good. We'll see you over there, Tony. Yeah. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, he let him in the car?
What was the call about? Officer? What was the call about?
That's the way you treat the public, huh? You're a public servant, man. Don't you forget that. You're the servant. You get a welfare check, man, not me. You do.
Oh, you guys are a taxi service now, huh? Cameras? All this for cameras.
They even sent a traffic guy over here.
All right, guys, have a good day. Enjoy that BMW that we paid for.
Sleep good at night, man, knowing that you ruin people's lives.
Be safe.
Have a good night.
You too. Good day.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
Can you put me out on?
The entire department's out here.
Mask on. Put your mask on. I'm gonna turn you in. They gave him a ride, bro.
That's a shame,
Hey, how come they didn't pass those girls down to get in the car?
right?
No pat down, no nothing.
Where were they really taking him on? Dang.
They always want to pat me down if I want to ride. Oh man, everyone. Thanks, the Salty Rant. Appreciate it.
Are we live or what?
Pretty dope. Yeah, we're live now.
What's going
So
on?
I'm live here with AV Watchmen. Turn around, I got SUVD first.
What up?
Yep, we're just doing our, here, can you do my case? So I got my tripod case, everyone.
Oh, hold on. There's the tripod case right there.
My camera equipment case.
Yep.
He's not full good, but we're not going to get him more. Yeah, because at that point, they're just going to educate him on the phone. Shut up. Funny. Oh shit, look at this car right here. The blue car, fool. He's got a Rolls Royce and he's got, what is this?